Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to show you around this Range Rover Autobiography in Santorini Black. This is a petrol plug-in hybrid and has previously only had one owner. As you can see, you have privacy glass, 21-inch diamond turned alloys, a powered tailgate, and you also have keyless entry. Going into the back of the vehicle, you have 10-inch rear seat entertainment, which is ideal for kids, and executive rear class seating, making all journeys luxury for everyone. You also have memory seats throughout the car. Going into the front of the vehicle, you have Autobiography tread plates and an ebony leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. 10-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with ambient lighting with several different colours to choose from, which looks cool especially in the dark. You also have a front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Sat nav, along with a rear view camera and 360-degree option, making parking and reversing easier. A speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer. You also have a heated steering wheel, along with heated and cooled front seats, which is ideal for winter and summer. The front seats are also massaged with several different settings to choose from. Again, you have memory seats in the front, which is ideal if there's several people driving the car, and you also have a Meridian sound system. This car has done 6,849 miles. This car isn't due for a service again until January 2022, and you also have 2 keys. If you're interested in this lovely vehicle, please call 01785 211 31 and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.